Welcome to Trains at Speed, East Coast Mainline, number 6. Now before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. I subscribed and I'll respond to all the comments. We don't have long to wait before 1 Par 21 turns up with the Transpennine Express Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle service with 802.210 in charge. Hot on his heels are two unidentified Cross Country Voyagers with the late running 1 Sierra 37 Plymouth to Newcastle train. With not too long to wait, southbound LNER Azuma 801229 heading the 1 Echo 12 Edinburgh to London King's Cross service is up next. Up next, and in a hurry, is a light engine move from Direct Rail Services. 88009 speeds past with a York to Carlisle move. A quick wander round to get warm before 1 Victor 60 turns up with a Cross Country Voyager number 221144 from Aberdeen to Plymouth. As soon as the Voyager is cleared, then up next is 1 Sierra 12 LNER Azuma 801223 with a London King's Cross to Edinburgh service. Mike 26 is up next with Transpennine Express Nova 1 802207 with a Newcastle Liverpool Lime Street service. Up next is 1 Sierra 39 Cross Country Plymouth to Edinburgh service with 221137 in charge. Walking around to keep warm. 1 Echo 13 LNER Azuma 800-103 turns up with a Perth to London King's Cross service. Up next is 1 Par 23 Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle Transpennine Express with 802.214 in charge. Heading southbound from Edinburgh to London King's Cross is 1 Echo 14, headed by LNER Azuma 800 111. Cross Country Voyagers 220003 and 220023 head to Bristol Temple Meads from Newcastle with 1 Victor 62. Sierra 15 is next up with 800 106, a London King's Cross to Edinburgh service. Now see the return working of 802 210, which is 9 Mike 28 Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. .800 113 leads 1 Whiskey 96 from London King's Cross to Perth. Next is 4E96, the Mossend to Teesdock intermodal train with 66 109 in charge. Remember to like, leave a comment or subscribe before you go, and if you can, watch another video. It'll really help the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.